Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be teaching you about how to design a rocket on openrocket. We all love rockets, we all love aerospace, we all love these big machines that enable us to go to space. Okay, so there might be a question in your mind that how do we design that? How we design the stuff that is going into the space. So today we are making a YouTube video about that. So we'll be starting from now without wasting any time. So we are currently on openrocket. You can search openrocket on your search engine, whatever it is, on your browser, and the first thing that comes up, you click on that, and it will be a openrocket website. This that will be looking something like this. Okay, so when you will be coming here, landing here on the website, you might be seeing download V3 for Windows. It will be the latest version, and you can see Windows, Mac OS for Mac users, Apple users, Linux, Jack. So everything you need to design, simulate, and fly better rockets. Open Rocket is a free, fully featured model rocket simulator that allows you to design and simulate your rockets before building and flying them. You know what I mean. You are able to design and simulate your rockets before building and flying them. Okay, so it has reliable simulations. It is used by basically, I will tell you, it is used by many industry leaders also, the big players in the industry. They use this thing. Okay, replicate all features of your existing model or new designs, everything from the density of materials, of the quality of finish on the outside of model, blah blah blah. Optimize your designs for certain characteristics, fine tune your design with real time performance data feedback, design with multiple stages and cluster your motors. Okay, choose the best and safest motors for your model. Okay, so here it is the documentation, and it is open source, so you can help them to make it better, to make open rocket better for the world. Okay, and you can be a part of it because it is an open source project on GitHub. You can go and make changes and help them to improve it. Okay, you can see here. So I have already downloaded open rocket on my system, so I will be directly landing on that, and let's go there. So here we are. Here we are on the interface of the open rocket. Here we get three types of option: rocket design, motors and configuration, flight simulation. We will be coming upon these two in the next videos and next parts. Today we'll be discussing about this thing. Okay, so it has three types of, or four types of components system: assembly components, body components, and fin sets. Inner components are there, mass components are there, and when we come downwards, we can see that rocket length, mass with no motors, stability, what is the stability of the rocket, what is the stability of the machine that you have built, the amazing machine that you have built. Okay, so then it counts the apogee. You know what apogee means. You know what max velocity, max like acceleration. Accelerate, bro, accelerate. Okay, so now I will be teaching you about how to design a freaking rocket. How to design? It's very easy, guy. So let's pick up a nose cone from here, and whatever your choice is. Okay, firstly, it will be giving you manufacturer and thing. There you can see the balsa machining, apogee. Who is the manufacturer of the thing? What the of the component that you are using? Okay, I think you might be understanding public missile quest, Rocketerium, Samrock, okay, and other stuff. Too many stuffs are there. You can see their part numbers are also there. Their description are there, that nose cone balsa ST5 1.7, 1.8, 2.2, blah blah blah. After outer diameter, length, after shoulder diameter, after the shape. What is the shape of the particular thing or component we are using? Okay, so we might be closing that, and then we will be coming here, and here we have too many options for basically nose cone, where here we have conical option. We have give all option it We have ellipsoid, we have power series, we have parabolic series, we have hack series. Okay, so I love hack series personally, or I love parabolic, so I will be going with that. You can say have one. You have one more thing known as shape parameter here. You also try that, okay, and then we will be coming up onto the length and thing. You can change the length of the nose cone. So I will be keeping it 16 centimeter, and we can change base also. You can see that whenever I am changing base or doing something with length, it gets affected. The shape of the nose cone gets affected a very much, in very much. So wall thickness also matter. You can see the blue circle, it is there, that is moving ahead whenever I'm changing wall thickness. Okay, this is one thing. Now we come upon to the shoulder. Shoulder, we have diameter, length, thickness. We have then override. Okay. After that we have appearance, figure style, component color. What do we want as a component color? It will be whenever I will be teaching you about the components and the 3D render views, then it will come into the play. Then it will matter a lot. Okay, so I will be closing this now, and now we will be making body of this rocket we are making, and now we will be taking closing it again. It has again some rock and public missiles and blah blah blah. Too many options are there, I told you. So again it has same thing. When now I want to just change the length that I have. Okay, I also want to change the diameter of the thing that I have. So but no rocket is like this, the shape that we made is. So we will be making a change. We will be doing it like 7 centimeter. So we will be typing it 7.0. I hope, yeah, it's good. It's good, very good. So you can see the thing changes very well whenever we are doing something with inner diameter or wall thickness. It matters a lot into the stability of the aircraft and other aspects of the aircraft. Again, we have component material and the things. There are so many things I told you. So again, it is the matter. So whatever I want. Here component material, what material I want polystyrene, so I will be going for that. What I want component finish, so I will be going for smooth paint. I touched upon that, and we are ready. Again, motorride, override, appearance, comment, all the things are there. Okay, so I hope you are learning something till now. And now we will be moving forward. Okay, so one thing we will be doing is like we will reduce the size of this so you can get a better view of this thing. So again, now we if you want to add a transition into the rocket, you know what I mean. You know, some rockets are there. If we want to add transition, see, you might be seeing changes into the design of the rocket. So, see, 4 diameter. Okay, after I want to keep it like this. So let me keep it like 7, same as the initial one. And after diameter, I also want to keep it as 8. Okay, so it will be like that. Okay, and wall thickness again same thing. Material and component finish again is the same thing, same everything. Okay, now we'll be adding one more body tube into it. Now you might be having a question, why adding one more body tube? I need to. I love to add. Okay, so it is a big freaking rocket. Okay, we added it into that thing. Okay, now what we can do? We can have fin sets like trapezoidal, elliptical, freeform, tube fins, rail button, launch slug. I would be loving to bring this thing with trapezoidal fin set. So I want 4 fin sets to be there. I want fin count. Okay, zero. It's the roots. Okay, root chord. What's the tip chord? What is the height? What is the sweep length? What is the sweep angle of the thing? You can also see the placement relative to the bottom of the component and all, you know better. Okay, so component material, cardboard, Delrin, whatever you want to choose, you can choose regular paint. I want the optimum paint, okay, and I just click okay. Okay, so let me give one interesting view of this. We will be coming on to view type and seeing the rocket till now we have made. So this is the rocket we have made till now. Okay, I am telling you this is in a very basic form and in a very easy form. It is bit more complex, but for now, just let it be as it is. Okay, so after that, if you want to add inner components, okay, inner tube, tube coupler, centered ring, bulkhead, engine block, and other stuffs, you can add that with inner tube, with tube coupler, with centering ring, bulkhead, with engine block. Okay, so if I want to add a one parachute here, okay, now again, balsa machining parachute. What's the part number? What's the description? What's the diameter? What's the line material? Whether it is nylon, whether it is carpet thread, you see the details they have put into this software. I am literally amazed when I was literally amazed when I used this software in first time. The details that they paid attention to, the details that they give in this software was something else and was something that gained my respect for them. Okay, so I'll be closing that for now. Diameter, what's the diameter of the uh, parachute we are using? What's the material? Polyethylene. I love polyethylene. I don't know why, but I love while designing or teaching open rocket into a basic form or into a basic way, then I love to use polystyrene or polyethylene. Okay, so I will be coming into this thing and you can see this red color. This red color thing is our parachute. Okay, and it is a very important thing. If the rocket gets if you just think you are launching a rocket and you just need to record your thing, okay, and when you are making it reusable, the rocket may be reusable in a way that you are landing that rocket from the help of parachute, then these things will be coming into that. You might be removing the avionics part, or you might be keeping this thing below the avionics part or something above the nose cone. That depends on your form of engineering, what you are trying to do, what you will do. Okay, so now shock cord is there, then mass component is there, and too many things are there, bro. So this is like that. Centering ring, bulkhead, inner tube. If you want to add, let me show how is inner tube added. Manufacturer, part number, description, outer diameter, inner diameter, length, and there are 5 6 options are there, and you need to choose, research what do you want to do. There is one advice from me: if you are building something, you should be clear what you are building, what you are trying to build. Okay, what is the framework that you will need to build that stuff, what is the thing that you will be needing, what is the component, what is the material that you will need. Break it down to the first principle thinking and then do your stuff. Okay, so we'll be closing it. So then we are inactive, we have added, you see this thing. Then we can do our thing with the length, outer diameter, inner diameter, and wall thickness also. Card, what is the material? I want a nylon one, so this is like that. And yeah, we have a rocket ready with us, and we had still need to add many other things also that I will be covering in the further lectures. This is a 3 to 4 series video lectures, and I hope you will be learning into that. And this is, I'm making this thing very easy for you. I saw on YouTube that when I was learning Open Rocket, there were not so many videos that I could learn from. So I am making that thing easy for you and available for everyone in the world. And I am recording this in English despite being a Hindi speaker, because I wanted to help and wanted to go to the people worldwide. And if you want me to record the same thing in Hindi, अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं ये सेम चीज़ हिंदी में भी रिकॉर्ड करूँ, देन आई एम टोटली फाइन विथ इट एंड आई विल बी डूइंग दैट वेरी हैप्पीली. जस्ट डू कमेंट. इफ वन कमेंट इज ऑल्सो देयर, आई विल बी very happy to build or make a video about this thing in detail. So let's meet in next video, in which I will be discussing about the motors and configuration we have, and the flight simulation. There are also a lot of exciting and crazy things in this software that we'll be adding or discussing later. So stay tuned on the channel for that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this video to your builder friends, to your aerospace or avionics or other stuff, IoT stuff enthusiast. Okay, so I am resigning off from now. For this video, I will be seeing you in some next video. Till then, bye. Jai Hind.
In the land of colors, where dreams ignite, a nation rising with stars shining bright. From the dusty streets to the city lights, India growing with newfound might, with curiosity. We take to the sky, exploring the unknown, reaching so high from the ancient